And then let's look at ongoing strategies for maintaining the health of your back and reducing the likelihood that this is going to happen again. So the first one is a maintenance routine. So once you've done the 15-day program, once the pain has been eliminated or at least centralized, it can be really helpful to do 10 standing back bends in the morning and in the evening. I don't recommend you do this right when you wake up or right before you go to bed, but after you've gotten your body warmed up adequately, then it can be really helpful to do these standing extension exercises, the ones that we ended with in phase 4. It's also helpful to do this after long periods of sitting or standing. Both of those can put pressure on the low back, and so doing these extension exercises can help to decompress that area of the back. And then also it's beneficial to create some healthy habits. Make sure that you've got a supportive chair, a chair that does have some lumbar support, supporting your low back and bringing your low back into some slight extension. It's helpful to take micro breaks and move frequently throughout the day, whether that's a walk around the block, walk around the office. That can be really helpful. And just to, maintain some small changes over time. You don't have to do anything big or drastic. It's actually the small changes that have the biggest impact on what's going on for you. So you want to figure out what small changes you can make. So sometimes after doing this and having the pain be alleviated, it can recur relatively quickly. So if you're not getting that, if it does reoccur, then do those press ups and see if it helps to get you back to where you need to be. This is pretty much your strategy for any time you have this radiating pain going down the leg. So now you have a plan for when this happens again. So this was the centralized back pain video. I hope that was helpful. I hope you feel like you have enough information to implement this immediately. There will be a handout that goes along with this that you can follow along with. And if you have any issues or problems or anything that we didn't cover in this video, please leave us a comment so that we can adequately address that. Thank you so much for watching.